Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a quick video on these shorts that I'm making. I actually don't own many pairs of shorts. I think like two. As I was scrolling old interwebs, I realized I really like the vintage khaki with pleats. So I was looking for maybe patterns or something I could buy, and they're really expensive. So I thought, what if I went and found pants at a thrift store that have the look I'm looking for and then just cut them into shorts. So I'm looking for something that's pleated up the front, and then I'll probably want a rolled hem on the bottom as well. So I found these great pants. They're men's pants and they look like they're from the 70s. They're just gorgeous pleated big bad boys. They basically look like Sonny Crockett just walked off an episode of Miami Vice. Like, what cases have you solved? Now there's an idea. I can't believe my first montage and dress up was for Miami Vice. So I'm going to show you guys what the pants look like, and then I'm going to start cutting and sewing them together, and let's see how they turn out. Once everything was measured, I just unpicked the inseam of the shorts, and then I cut off 2 inches on both back panels of the shorts, but I left the front panels the same. Right, which color? Let's see. Ooh, winner. I left my bottom thread white. Once the inseams were sewn back together, I pressed everything so it was nice and clean, and then did another zigzag stitch just down both sides so it's extra secure. I measured 1/2 inch for the hem, but now I'm wishing I would have did a full 1 inch, so 1/2 inch, and then pressed it and then did another 1/2 inch so it was more of a rolled hem, but it worked out either way. I would recommend changing your bobbin thread because, as you can see here, I'm sewing upside down because the white thread was being shown on the good side of the fabric. Once I finished this, I rolled everything up and then I pressed it. I also secured the top with a invisible ladder stitch just so it wouldn't unravel in the wash. The shorts are done. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. I feel like I could pair it with a lot. I just put it on today with an oversized white button up, but I think I could wear it with a tank top, with t-shirts, maybe a frilly peasant top. I think it would look really cute, and possibly even in the fall with a nice sweater. I think the hardest part with shopping vintage and upcycling is now that I really like the look of these, it's gonna be really hard to find the exact same pants to be able to do this maybe in other colors. I also know now that I can make shorts out of pants like this. If I ever do find, you know, a nice blue or green or any kind of color like that, I could actually just cut them up and make them myself. It was fairly easy. I think the hardest part for me was getting the folded cuff the same on both sides. I feel like if it's something that I do a lot, maybe if I cut out a cardboard template and then roll the cuff, press, and then roll it again, and then press that again, I think that would give me, you know, the right sizes that I need. But I feel like the size wasn't the problem. Oh my God, that's a really loud cicada. Sounds of summer. Shit, what was I saying? It wasn't the length of the cuffs I was having trouble with, it was more the placement of them. I found, you know, maybe this one is a bit like lower down, this one is a bit higher up, and it's also a common issue whenever you upcycle